Hello, welcome to Key Stage 1 Singing Assembly. We're going to start by putting our hands in the air and going, hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. We're going to start by singing the Swafield School song. Do you remember the words? Sometimes you work, sometimes you play, and there will be times when you don't know what to say. But don't give up, you can be strong. We're here beside you and we'll sing this song, because we are Swafield School, and here at Swafield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swafield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together, Swafield School forever. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but always try to be the best that you can be. When you can't choose which team you're in, it doesn't matter, don't you see? Because we are Swafield School, and here at Swafield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swafield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together, Swafield School forever. We are stronger together, Swafield School forever. Great. Okay, let's sing some of our favourite songs. Five Little Firemen. Now, today I don't think we're going to be able to pick people to come and stand up, but we can still remember when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when one of the firemen's gone, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, shh, and then we go 1, 2, 3, shh, shh, and then we go 1, 2, shh, 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 and then we go 1, shh, 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 and the last time we just go shh, 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 5 times for all the 5 little firemen. Okay, here we go. 5 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. How many now? 4. 4 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, shh they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire I've been counting tigers. Do you remember this one? I've been counting tigers down at the tiger zoo. When you're counting tigers, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many tigers can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, none. I've been counting monkeys down at the monkey zoo. When you're counting monkeys, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many monkeys can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, none. I've been counting crocodiles down at the crocodile zoo. When you're counting crocodiles, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many crocodiles can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, none. I've been counting dinosaurs down at the dinosaur zoo. When you're counting dinosaurs, it's a very sad thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many dinosaurs can I count today? All the dinosaurs must have run away. Can't have been any dinosaurs to count, can there? Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. There aren't any now. That's why we couldn't count those. Okay, what about a dinosaur song though? Do you remember? Don't gobble up the children. This is very good advice for dinosaurs. It goes like this. Don't gobble up the children. It's really rather rude. Don't gobble up the children. These children are not food. Don't gobble up the children. Their parents want them back. Don't gobble up the children. They're friends and not a snack. Should we try that again? You join in this time. Don't gobble up the children. It's really rather rude. Don't gobble up the children. These children are not food. Don't gobble up the children. Their parents want them back. Don't gobble up the children. They're friends and not a snack. Right, let's do our most cross telling the dinosaurs off faces that we can. Are you ready? Don't gobble up the children. It's really rather rude. Don't gobble up the children. These children are not food. Don't gobble up the children. Their parents want them back. Don't gobble up the children. They're friends and not a snack. Right, it's time to stop now, so we're going to do our goodbye, put our hands up in the air and go goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. Thank you for singing. See you next time.